Hello, Aileen. Can you start to introduce yourself?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Aileen Ricon. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I have one son, 12 years old.
Yes.
Before, I worked in Saudi Arabia, 2016 to 2018. My main job there is cleaning the house, taking care of the children, cooking, ironing, washing the clothes.
Yes.
Then the next, after that, I'll work in United Arab Emirates for 2 years for taking care of the newborn baby. I'll cleaning, cooking also, and washing the clothes.
Yes.
Before that, I going to Qatar. I'll work there for 2 years.
Yes.
My main job there is cleaning the house. Sometimes I'll cooking. And after that, I'll work in Hong Kong for 2024 to 2025. My main job there is taking care of the baby and taking care of the 2 dogs.
Yes.
And cleaning and washing, and sometimes I go to the market to buy something food for my mom and sir.
Yes. So you only work here 10 months, right?
1 year, I work here and 1 year and 3
Oh,
months.
1 year and 4 months, right?
3 months.
3 months.
Yes.
So why you got terminated?
I terminate because my madam and sir is maybe she said not suitable for my work because I taking care of the baby, then I taking care of the 2 dogs. Maybe she thinking I cannot handle this. That's why he terminated me.
Okay, that's why you need to find another job, right?
Find another
so can you tell more about your ability?
My ability is I'll cooking, then I'll cleaning, then I'll take care of for the newborn baby.
You also love to take care of the newborn?
I love to take care of the newborn baby, and also I love kids. If we get a chance to take care of your child, it's okay for me because I love the kids and I love their.
Okay, you also know how to cook the Chinese food.
Yes,
right?
I also know about cook for Chinese food.
So you can independent go to the market to decide each night the food.
My madam gave me some details for buy. Then I buy for this.
Okay. So do you have any message you talk in front of the camera?
Yes, ma'am. If you take me for your for me as a nanny or auntie, I give my best. I work hard. I learn more. I learn more to serve you.
Okay. So goodbye.
Goodbye.